Welcome again, guys, to another video whereby we learn about numbers. Now you have already learned about the numbers 1 till 10. We just want to do a little bit of revision and see if you can answer these questions. So if you have this printed out, very good. Just try out the question and then watch the video. So I am going to give you the answers now. They say match the number symbols, these ones, to their number names, these ones over here. All right, so what we want to do is we want to take this. We know it's the symbol 4. So this is the symbol 4, and you want to find that word that says 4. Because remember, how do we spell 4? F-O-U-R. So just make sure we connect these together and we say, yes, we understand the number 4. Now let's try with this symbol. We know the symbol is 1, and the word or the name of 1 will be the O-N-E, which is, it spells 1. So we connect those together. Now we are on the 3. This symbol says 3. So 1, 2, 3. And how do you spell 3? We go T-H-R-E-E. So we connect these together. And then we go over to this symbol, and this symbol is 5. And how do you spell 5? Well, you spell it F-I-V-E. Well done, guys. Well done. So then also lastly, we want to look at this symbol. It says 2, and the word or the name of 2 is T-W-O. And that's it for this side. Hopefully you did well, because we have more. Again, you can just pause the video, try this out, and then resume the video to see the answers. So this is the symbol 10. So the word that says 10 will be this one. It says 10. Right. And then again, we're going to have this is 6. And the word that goes with 6 will be the S-I-X. 6. Well done. Now, this would be a 9. Just make sure you don't confuse the 6 and the 9. The 6 goes up, and then you have the circle at the bottom. The 9 goes circle, and then you have the pointy thing at the bottom, right? So that's how we write those two. And let's find the word that goes 9, which will be this one. That's 9. Right, guys, so well done so far. This will be an 8 with the 2 circles like this. And then the word that spells 8 will be this one at the top. E-I-G-H-T. It's the G and then the H and lastly the T. So make sure you know how to spell 8. Now let's spell the last one, which is, let's match the last one, which you already know. It matches they, and this reads 7. So that symbol is 7. Also, guys, what we would like to do is practice how to write the numbers 1 to 10 again. I will trace only one of these. You can trace all of them. No, you should trace all of them again. So I'm going to make 1. Remember, that's how we wrote the 1. And 2. And then 3 with the curves thing. And then 4, we make that line and this line, and we use the 2 dots. Then we have 5, left, down, with that small circle that doesn't close. Then we start from the top with the 6. We bend it all over until we come in. With the 7, it's very easy. Go to the right, and then you come diagonally like this. With the 8, you're gonna have 2 circles going down like this. And then for the 9, you have a circle, and then you have a line like this. And then for the 10, we draw a 1 and a 0. Right, so at the bottom, what you want to do is just practice again how we write these without the trace paper. Okay, that's how you can practice. So remember the 8, you could have did 2 circles, and the 9, you make a circle with a line. All right, guys, so that's it for this slide. And now we want to learn about these numbers. These numbers, we call them natural numbers. So we want to take them and we want to put them on a number line. So this will be the number line of natural numbers. The number line is going to start on this side of, so on the left. And as we go and we continue, we are going to be getting bigger and bigger and bigger numbers. So the first number is 1. So I hope everybody screamed and they said that this is 1. So if you see it in terms of a balloon, this is how many balloons you have for your birthday party. Not enough, right? So let's go to the next natural number. The next natural number says 2. We already know this symbol. It says 2. And how many balloons do we have now for our birthday parties? Will be 2. So we're getting a bit more balloons. We have a 1 and a 1 giving us 2. Now let's see the next natural number that we do get on our number line will be 3. And this is how many balloons you will have in your birthday party. Now you have 1, 2, 3 balloons. The next natural number after 3, you get 4. 4 is a little bit bigger than 3 because you have an extra balloon now for your birthday party. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 over there. The next natural number will be 5. This is 5, and it's bigger than 4. It's a lot bigger than all these numbers you see in the screen because you get an extra balloon. So you have all these balloons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these balloons are the balloons you have for your birthday party. Now let's get more balloons. 6 balloons, that will be that. And then we get 7 balloons, that will be that. And then we have 8 balloons, that will be that. And we have 9 balloons, that will be that. And finally, how many balloons do we want in our birthday party? 10. And there's your extra balloon. So let's count all of this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done, guys. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.